If you're using the foam cutter and the wire breaks, here's how to fix it. First thing you need to do is get a little bit more wire. So we're going to loosen the top and let out a little bit more wire. This will go through that hole, but to let it go through, you're going to have to open up this screw right here, so that way the wire can go down. If the wire doesn't thread well, you might need to either clear out that hole, which might have some junk in it, or you might need to use wire cutters to cut off the end of the wire. But I'll try to see if I can do that now. Oops. Okay, so when the wire is fed through, you tighten this up again. Now the wire is tight. This is quite loose now, so we're going to make sure the wire goes through this little groove there. But I'll spin this tight, and I'll even spin it a little extra tight by pushing down and giving it a little bit of pushing down on this, giving it a little tension. Then I'll tighten up the top screw. So now this is nice and tight, and it should work again.